Hello guys, welcome back. It's been a long time since I make a video. How are you guys? I miss you. Actually, I'm stuck outside the country, so I cannot make any new videos. Since the coronavirus is going on, all flights are cancelled, and now I'm stuck. So I'm not going to bore you with the corona news. Of course, all of you know the corona, what is going on, what is happening. So finally, we hit 1,000 subscribers. So I was going to give away on 1,000 subscribers. I'm still going to give away on 1,000 subscribers $100. The rule was whoever subscribe and follow me on the Instagram and he has to comment it on my 1,000 subscriber video will be on the giveaway. Now since very few people commented on my 1,000 subscriber video, I'm going to give one last chance whoever want to enter on the giveaway. So after this video, I'm going to give everyone 24 hours who wants to enter in the this giveaway. The rules are very simple. He has to comment on my 1,000 subscriber video and he has to follow me on the YouTube and Instagram. So whoever do that is on the giveaway. So good luck guys, and I will see you soon. I'm going to miss my babies, I'm missing my babies. I'm missing my bikes since I'm stuck outside the country. So very soon when I reach back, I'm going to make a video, and so if you didn't subscribe me, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out and ride safe.